Madam Speaker, the Honourable Prime Minister, Honourable Leader of the Opposition and Honourable Members, I rise in support of the budget and in particular of the activities to be undertaken under the budget allocated to the newly proposed Ministry of Environment and also the Department of Town and Country Planning. I also take this opportunity to thank the Honourable Minister for Economy and his team for a visionary budget that will set all Fijians on a path to success. Madam Speaker, there is an increasing global interest and recognition that today's economic growth and development pathway is driven by the global shift to sustainable green and blue economies. Our Fiji First government is about establishing strong and sustainable resilience for every Fijian. The Sustainable Development Goals are a key set of contrivances that will help us achieve this resilience that we so ardently seek. This budget reflects our government's unwavering commitment to an indelible, transformative development that is economically, socially, and environmentally sustainable. As this government strives to build a strong, climate-resilient economy, it is paramount that we continue to build on a foundation that accords a well-protected, healthy, and valued environment that is so naturally endowed to us. This, Madam Speaker, will reward us with a strong, prosperous, and inclusive growth for all Fijians. This budget, Madam Speaker, lays out the trajectory to bolstering scientific, technological, and innovative programs. These programs cannot be run on their own entirely and will be catalyzed through strategic partnerships with international agencies and the private sector. This will be led by a strong government backed with policy and a tenacious regulatory system. The newly proposed Ministry of Environment will be responsible for protecting Fiji's natural environment, which includes air, land, water, all layers of the atmosphere, all organic and inorganic matter, and the interacting natural and human systems that encompasses the above. The Ministry will take a three-pronged approach for the fiscal year 2017-2018. Firstly, facilitating supporting a strong community outreach to all citizenry groups, including businesses, on the environment protection agenda and regulatory obligations and its importance. Additionally, its radical role played in the economic growth through green and blue sectors, creating greater green investments, more jobs, and Fiji's competitiveness on the global arena. Secondly, establish an enhanced, coherent, effective, and robust regulatory and compliance system that would support outreach and awareness while ensuring strong monitoring and